Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're taking a ride down the most famous road in the United States, Route 66. Known as the Mother Road or Main Street of America, Route 66 is more than just a highway. It's a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the American spirit. But what makes this road so special, and why is it still loved by people around the world? Let's find out. Route 66 was officially established in 1926. It originally ran from Chicago, Illinois, all the way to Santa Monica, California, covering a total of 2,448 miles. It passed through 8 states: Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California. For many years, it was the main road for people heading west, especially during the Great Depression when families moved to California in search of a better life. As people traveled along Route 66, small towns grew and roadside attractions appeared: motels, diners, gas stations, and quirky landmarks that gave the road its unique charm. Neon signs, classic cars, and retro vibes made the journey along Route 66 just as exciting as the destination. In the 1950s and 60s, Route 66 became a symbol of American road trips. Songs, movies, and TV shows celebrated its magic. The famous song, "Get Your Kicks on Route 66, invited people to explore the open road and discover America. However, with the creation of faster interstate highways, Route 66 was officially removed from the U.S. highway system in 1985. Many parts of the road were abandoned, but thanks to dedicated fans and local communities, Route 66 has been preserved and celebrated as a historic route. Today, you can still drive on large portions of Route 66 and experience the nostalgia, history, and beauty of this legendary highway. Travelers from all over the world come to explore it, take photos with classic signs, and feel the spirit of adventure that made Route 66 famous. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Route 66 is the most famous road in America and why it remains an icon of American culture. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.